Show that the ordered pairs -4, -3, and -1, 3 are solutions of the equation y minus 2x equals 5. Then use the graph of the straight line containing the 2 points to determine another solution, and your answers to this may vary. Let's first of all show that the point -4, -3 is a solution of the equation, and we'll do this by substituting -4 for x and -3 for y. Now, this equation is written with y before x, but we always substitute in alphabetical order. So we'll substitute -3 for y and -4 for x, and we're asking, is this equal to 5? I have -3 plus 8, and that is equal to 5. So this is true, and that shows us that the point -4, -3 is a solution of the equation. Now let's look at the point -1, 3. I'll substitute 3 for y and -1 for x, and we're asking again, is this equal to 5? Here on the left side I have 3 plus 2, and that is equal to 5. So this is also a true statement, and that tells us that both points are solutions of the equation. Now, let's use these 2 points to graph the equation. We had the point -4, -3, and we had the point -1, 3. And let's just draw the straight line that contains those 2 points. And let's label them. This is -4, -3, and this is -1, 3. Now we're asked to find another point that lies on the line, and it looks like to me that -2, 1 is a point on the line right here. And let's see if it is indeed a solution of that equation. We have y minus 2x equals 5. So I'll substitute, this is the point I'm checking, -2, 1. I'll substitute 1 for y and -2 for x. On the left I have this computation. I'm asking if this is equal to 5. I have 1 plus 4, or 5. So this is true, and that tells us that the point -2, 1 is a third point on this line.